How to enable post approval on Facebook group. If you are looking to review each post on your Facebook group before it's been approved, then this video is for you. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then scroll down a bit until you locate group and proceed to tap on it. This will land you on this interface. Proceed to tap on your groups. With this selected, you land on an interface with the groups that you belong to. In this case, I'm going to select this group that I just created, which is example. In order for me to enable the post approval on this group, all I have to do is to proceed to the top right corner where I see this star shield icon and tap on it. Then continue to scroll down until you locate group settings. With this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you locate post approval. Proceed to tap on it. Then if this is toggled off, make sure it's toggled on. Then continue to tap on save. After you are done with this, also make sure to also approve edit. Tap on it. And if this is also toggled off, make sure it's toggled on. Then continue to tap on save. That's it. You have successfully enabled post approval on Facebook group. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.